measure this. Let's start from the top here. So 31 length, and then basically 31 by 15. I gotta write it down because I'll forget because I'm old. And write it here, 31 by 15. Okay, wrote it on the thing. We've got a lighting situation going on in here. So, the thing that I'm working on, making a table here. Let's see. I'm going to add some, I got to do some more latch hook. It's going to go all the way around here. So I wonder if I should leave a space. And I need to tighten that. So I need to tighten that below. Some more latch hook. Getting ready for the next tutorial.